What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and it's good to have some family movies that could be reviewed because it's good to watch with your families, kids, and there are good things to learn. So, here, because I really like to watch movies from other cultures, from other languages, and you can have the feel of them that how they just got this done. So DHS was the one, DHHH, I don't know what is the meaning of the movie, is was recommended on, and then I watched this one. It is very good to watch. So there are three backbenchers. They are not good at studies, and they are always fail. They are having a motorbike, and they are just kids from small village, and they just enjoy their life. And one guy has a grandfather, then they are just thinking that what should be done. If they are not studying, that how come they will have a good grades? So sometimes you can use the hard way, or sometimes you can use the soft way in a very manipulative way, and then I think it was very good thing that they have used it. So they were talking about a, are you here now? Where did you go? Huh?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? You just came? Huh? Where did you go? Huh? Which Max Valley you will go? Huh? Huh? Wait, I'm just going to come with you. It's a walk for us. You are going to stay here? No, we will come back. It is just 5 o'clock. Oh, I'm recording everything. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and today I'm going to review one of the movie that was recommended to us, and I think there should be some movies that has to be watched with the family. Also, this movie is worth watching, and especially for every walk of life. So the story, I don't know the movie is what does it really mean, is it's DHHH. So, and living legend Nasiruddin Shah played a cameo role in this one. So what happens is the story revolves around three students. They are very young, and they are not good into books. Means they think that it's not their cup of tea to study. So they enjoy outside activities, and they are always backbenchers. They don't do their homeworks. They are not good at education, and that's how their life is going on until their teachers say that how come they will grow up. And there is a grandfather who said that there is a magic show, and you could have a go there, and maybe you will get some magic powers to do something good, maybe at sports or maybe at education. And then they said, oh yeah, it could be done. So it was a very easy way for the kids to, sometimes you use the hard way, sometimes you use the easy way. So if you use the easy way, it will be very good for you. So that happens here. They got the gift from magician. Nasiruddin played a cameo role here, and he sent them the letter. And there is an owl they gave him, and they said that it is a magical owl, that if you will talk everything to him, you will learn everything. But it's up to you guys how you make your timing. So there are three people now. One will take the owl in the daytime, the another in the afternoon, the another in the night time. So they are all taking this owl with them, and they are studying it. So now what they do is they are talking to they are talking to owl while they are studying. So those guys, those who are not good at education, now they are becoming good students, and they are chasing time to find out whenever they can grab that owl. So it's a very good strategy or tactic being used by someone, you will see, who has used this in the movie to bring their intellectual level out of them, because all kids, they have the ability and the god gifted thing that they can utilize. So it's up to them to how to utilize their positive energy in the positive things. So what happens is they have they are doing good at the exams now, and now there was a competition, and their competitors were the first grade students, like those who are always getting a first or second or third position. So now they are having competition with them, but it was a very good thing that they are come up with a plan how to uh, bring them to a level that the teachers were also surprised that they have done a very good in studies and also in a competition, quiz competition. I hope you will really like this movie, and especially it's best to watch with the kids and give them encouragement and help them. And moreover, there is always a child in our brain that sometimes have faith in something. It could be a materialistic thing, it could be our vision or something, whatever we can. I hope you will really like this. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any other movie that kindly just recommended us, it will be very good to watch it. So kindly like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Have a great week. Bye bye. Are you guys going?